Today we're going to explore using gestures to control components. Welcome to Circus. As you can see here, I have a simple circuit set up. I'm using an APDS 9960. The APDS 9960 is a gesture sensor. If I swipe from right to left or left to right, up or down, near or far, I can control components on the circuit board. For instance, if I swipe to the right, the red LED comes on. If I swipe to the left, the green LED comes on. If I do it near and then pull away, it turns on whatever LED is currently on. The connections are simple. Let's go through them now. On the 9960, all the way to the right, we have an INT, or interrupt pin. That's going to go to your pin 2 on your Arduino. SCL is going to go to A5 on the Arduino. The SDA is going to go to the A4. The VCC is 5 volts. And then ground goes to ground. Now I should warn you to check the data sheet on your 9960. Most will say it's 3.3 volts. And that's what I tried first. However, nothing worked. After checking a few more data sheets, I found that mine was actually a 5 volt. So double check your data sheets, as yours may not be a 3.3 volt. Also connected are 2 LEDs. The LEDs will tell you which way you've swiped, although there are more directions you can check. For instance, there is an up and down, a right to left, a left to right, and a near and a far, which is how close you're holding your object or your hand to the 9960. Right now, I'm only using right to left, left to right, and near and far to control the LEDs. The red LED is on pin 9. The green LED is on pin 8. I also have 2 100 ohm resistors on the negative pins of the LEDs. When I swipe from right to left, you can see that the red indicator comes on. If I go to left to right, the green LED comes on. If I hold my hand close and then move away from it, it'll turn on whatever LED is currently on. Let's look at the code. Okay, let's look at the code. First of all, I didn't write the code. I'd like to give a good shout out to Sean from SparkFun. I will post this file so you guys can download it, change it around, make it your own. But I didn't write this file. So briefly, let's take a look here. We have 2 includes, wire.h and SparkFun, to work with the 9960. We then set up a pound define. What that's going to do is set up an interrupt. That's where we went to pin 2 on the Arduino. We then instantiate the SparkFun APDS 9960. We then set up an ISR underscore flag equal to 0 of type int. And then we set up our pins. Blue LED is going to be on pin 8, and the green LED is on pin 9. In the video I used different colors because blue didn't show up that well on video. So here we are in the setup function. In the setup function, we're going to set up various things. For instance, the pin mode, we're going to set up to be an input because we want to read in from the 9960 so we can get the gestures. We also set up the LEDs. Since we're only turning on LEDs and we don't actually read any values from an LED, we set it to output. I then turn both LEDs on. Here, I have some debugging stuff for the serial console. I attach an interrupt of type falling. We then initialize the 9960 we enable the gestures, and then we go into the loop. If ISR_flag equals 1, we detach the interrupt, and then we have this handle gesture function. The handle gesture function actually retrieves what gesture was caught. Here we check to see if gesture is available. If it's true, we read the gesture. From there we check to see if it's an up, down, left, right, near, or far. I'm only using a few of these, but basically what I have is if there's an up gesture, turn both LEDs off. If there's a down gesture, turn both LEDs off. Then I have dir_left. If I swipe from left to right, I turn one LED on and the other one off. Likewise, if I go from the right, I turn the opposite light on and the other one off. If a near gesture is performed, I turn both off. And last but not least, if you perform a far gesture, both LEDs are turned off. From there, ISR_flag is set to 0, and the attached interrupt is once again called, passing a 0 interrupt routine, and again, the mode is falling. Well, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with others, and we'll see you next time on Circuit Circus.